let me tell you about some chicks that I know. I got a Latina girl that says she wanted pronto. I got a girl in Toronto, man, I call her Raptor. She tryna chase the dollar, yeah, that's all she after. She said she fed up with the modern rappers. There's no energy, that sounded thin to me, yeah. So I said I got that remedy, I got that old shit, you can depend on me. Cause I'm versatile, I can shake up the floor, I'll reverse the tile. You can bet your whole purse, every verse is wild. Make a sucker MC go reverse his style. You can put your money down on it, yeah, you can count on it. And if you're feeling like it sounds legit, then you should bounce to this. I think you know what time it is, yeah, yeah, I think you know what time it is. You could put your money down on it, yeah. You start to realize that they were all actors. They dropped a tape and then they thought that they would be a star after. Yeah, they thought that they were off after. Let me show you how to go from a blog rapper to a large factor. If you climb too slow, man, you fall faster. If you even come close, man, you don't have to. But I'm the idiot dude that went from considering business school to living my vision and getting ridiculed. Cause you're still a fool until you're a genius. And then you're with a stylish girl that don't know what a genius. And then you're with a married girl that don't know where a ring is. Until you're with a foreign girl that forget her English. You can put your money down on it, yeah, you can count on it. And if you're feeling like it sounds legit, then you should bounce to this. I think you know what time it is, yeah, yeah, I think you know what time it is. You can put your money down on it, yeah. Dunson, let me tell you something, I'm aiming for the game, you can make that assumption. You ain't saying nothing, half of y'all are literate, you 0 for 16s. I'm on the top of my division, shit, better than your written shit. You spit that shit that was never impressive. Somebody else should write it down, you could take a suggestion. And you say you in the game, you ain't even contesting. You short change, I show you lanes how to make an investment. Yeah, diversify. And I never ever had to make her decide. She ain't never ever been up in the earth this high. Man, I get these chicks wings so these birds could fly. You can put your money down on it, yeah, you can count on it. And if you're feeling like it sounds legit, then you should bounce to this. I think you know what time it is, yeah, yeah, I think you know what time it is. You can put your money down on it. You can put your money down on it, yeah, you can count on it. And if you're feeling like it sounds legit, then you should bounce to this. I think you know what time it is, yeah, yeah, I think you know what time it is.
Dream is to fly over the rainbow so high. And my dream is to fly over the rainbow so high. And every day of the week we party up in the club, loving them models up. And every night we raise them bottles up so high.
Chillin' like a villain, diabolical and bunny. Rockin' on that robot fashion, police get up off me. Skinny jeans is off the scene, and 504s are costly. Lady in Balenciaga, skin the color toffee. Chillin' in my man loft, you can call me Lofty. And it's on to the next one, like the cat from Marcy. And I'm two-stepping, hit the spot with a new weapon. Boots made by Givenchy, fresher than a reverend. Bottles in the air, I don't even care. It's a lifestyle, homie, you ain't never there. You should get a load of me, a silver in the shows. Slave to the city, master of the centerfolds. All I ask is my heart beats for the opposite sex. This is my world, bring your camera, she stop and go yes. Candy gravity and stop to drop it gradually. And tell them we gon' dance until the reaper come and snatches me.
And my dream is to fly over the rainbow so high. And my dream is to fly over the rainbow so high. And every day bottles up so high. I'ma do it so big that the city gon' scream my name. Raise it up for the price of fame. She asked me, is it worth it? The girls in the bars for your soul and the scars, and silicone models and cognac bottles and so many shots. I won't remember this tomorrow. And medallion girls like to party all the time, party all the time, dancing, acting all wild. And I don't really mind when they tell them they lies, cause every night, well, I feel alive. So fuck going to work tomorrow, cause she said she wanna, tonight we gon' and my dream is to fly over the rainbow so high. And my dream is to fly over the rainbow so high. And every day of the week we party up in the club, loving them models up. And every night we raise them bottles up so high. And my dream is to fly over the rainbow so high. And my dream is to fly over the rainbow so high. And every day of the week we party up in the club, loving them models up. And every night we raise them bottles up so high.
Well, let me tell you about some chicks that I know. I got a Latin seen a girl that said she wanted pronto. I got a girl in Toronto, man, I call her Raptor. She tryna chase the dollar, yeah, that's all she after. She said she fed up with the modern rappers. There's no energy, that sounded thin to me, yeah. So I said I got that remedy, I got that old shit, you can depend on me. Cause I'm versatile, I can shake up the floor, I reverse the tile. You can bet your whole purse, every verse is wild. Make a sucker MC go reverse his style. You can put your money down on it.